Are you wondering how to better manage your Agile portfolio? Well, in this video, we'll be talking about that and more. And hi there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the founders of Product HQ, and I have over 10 years of working in software management, product development, and scaling startups. And in this video, I'll be sharing my favorite tips on how to manage Agile portfolios and becoming a product leader. But before we dive into all that, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on how to build great products. Now let's go ahead and dive in. So I'll start with tip number one, which is to carry out lots of product experimentation. As you know, Agile portfolio managers have three tasks: maintain transparency across portfolios, deciding which projects produce the most value for the customer and enterprise, and aligning the enterprise's strategic vision with what's happening at the operational level. Because Agile values are aligned to staying current with customer wants in the market, they must make decisions about which products continue to be relevant to those goals. And one of the best ways to do this is experimentation with which projects have the potential to bring the most value. In this way, they know which projects are worth devoting resources to, and they can prioritize these. Agile portfolio managers can perform a calculation to know which projects they should choose, and it's called the cost of delay. The cost of delay is a loss the company would incur the longer they take to put out a product. It is found by working out the expected weekly profit of a project divided by the amount of time it would take to complete the project. And this number is called a CD3 value. The projects with the higher CD3 value are chosen over those with lower values. Now let's go ahead and move on to tip number two: scaled transparency. In today's business environment, creating transparency is fundamental with the overall project management process. Under traditional business structure, portfolio and project managers emphasize the provision of detailed status reports. Agile portfolio management favors communication across the portfolio, and teams must share knowledge among each other to foster transparency and progress in overcoming hindrances to the project. And this cultivates mutual respect and shared purpose among teammates and coworkers, which in turn yields higher quality results and faster problem solving. And in an effort to create this shared understanding of the portfolio, project and portfolio managers use connected visual boards which outline proposals for several projects. The intent is to generate an open environment where the relevant teams monitor the status of a particular project, and in doing so, reduce the need for detailed reports. Now let's go ahead and move on to tip number three: strategic alignment and execution. Aligning project execution with business goals is vital to effective portfolio management. Agile organizations emphasize recurrent feedback loops among management and teams alike. The main purpose is to create a productivity network centered on brief planning and learning cycles that allow for the review of strategy, project risks, and delivery proficiency. This network allows the company to adapt to major changes and shift operations towards those which take precedence. When considering a portfolio, the organization prioritizes each project or initiative in accordance with how they align with business strategy and customer value. If not, the company has the option to either eliminate or invest in new initiatives. And that takes us to tip number four: defining value proposition. Portfolio and product management teams must work in tandem to pinpoint new ideas and products for development. Examine business strategy and competitors to get an understanding of how your product differs from what's on the market, and get feedback from current clients to find out how to enhance their product experience. You should also consider using focus groups to envision the potential needs of the target audience. And we move on to our fifth and final tip: seek continuous improvement. Agile governance promotes a collection and analysis of data to facilitate continual improvement. And to do so, Agile teams must monitor the status of projects within the portfolio and look for ways to improve either their processes or the products themselves. And there you have it, an overview of Agile portfolio management and how they go about managing their portfolios. And again, my name is Josh. I'm one of the founders here at Product HQ. And if you enjoyed this video, if you feel like you have a better understanding of the topic, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to build great products. And I'll go ahead and see you on those. Cheers.